What's up, fam? I'm Kale. Welcome to your 5-minute update. Today I'm going to wrap a bow on everything. You're probably wondering what is going on with Pelosi landing, with the market going crazy because it's going up, it's going down, it's all over the place because this crazy deranged grandma is landing in Taiwan. What's going on with that? She's leaving Taiwan. She left Taiwan today. What's going to happen next? I'm going to answer the questions to you about August. Are we going to go up or down? I think that's all you want to know. You probably just want to know, is the price of Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, your stocks, are they going to go up or down both in the short term this week and for the rest of August and maybe for the rest of the year? I have a theory that is probably going to blow your mind, and I'm just going to do it in the next 4 minutes. So if you're ready for that, smash the like button. I'm not going to keep going until you smash the like button, okay? Just 3, 2, 1. Did you smash it? Okay, here's what happened yesterday. Let's do a quick recap. All right, so yesterday was insane. I made a lot of money yesterday, and I hope you are following me on Twitter or in the Discord channel. Ding, 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 ding. If you are in this NFT, if you buy one of these NFTs, you would have made a lot of money yesterday. Just saying, because I post all my trades live in the Discord. But anyway, whatever. Do what you want to do. Anyway, so what I did is I bought a bunch of Ethereum right here at the very bottom yesterday. I know you can't see it because the chart is, because I have this new fancy chart from Alpha Trend. Thank you, Alpha Trend. You're amazing. They're not sponsors, but they just have these cool dots. I love them. But anyway, so I bought a bunch of Ethereum down here around the bottom of the stock market here when everything was dipping, because for some reason there were some group of people out there, and I don't know who you guys are, but you're crazy. You guys thought that Pelosi was going to get shot down by China yesterday. You thought that the Chinese government was going to shoot down the third most powerful person in the United States. Just think about that for a second. There was some percentage of people that actually thought that was going to happen. And because of that, Ethereum sold off right here. And I bought it. There was a clear buy signal, and I just bought a ton of Ethereum right here, and it went whoop right when she landed. It literally was hilarious. We were watching it on Twitter. I hope you follow me on Twitter. Pelosi is my grandma is my name right now, so make sure you follow me. But I was live tweeting this, and we were literally watching her plane land on a live stream, and as it landed, the price of everything went to the moon, right? And now everything is trending up again. Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's up, because she left Taiwan safely, and she leaves behind her a wake of Chinese people going, "Oh, we're mad at you. You shouldn't have came to Taiwan. Oh, you're bad. You're bad." That's basically what they're doing, okay? So I don't really care. I don't think the market cares. I think what the market really cares about is whether we are in a bull market, a bear market, not even that really. What they care about is the money printer going to go burr? So for the rest of the 3 minutes that I have left on this 5-minute update, I'm going to tell you why I think that August is going to be very bullish. The rest of this week is going to be bullish for Bitcoin, and maybe even the rest of the year. Shh. Okay, a lot of people aren't going to tell you this. They're going to say, the bottom is not in. We're in a bear market. This is just a bear market rally. Well, here's a case for maybe why it might not be, okay? And maybe why you already missed the bottom. So, sorry to break it to you, but there's this really cool video by Trader University. I would really encourage you to follow this guy. This guy got me into Bitcoin back in March of 2020, so thank you, man. You're amazing. And he's saying the bear market is over. This is not a joke. This is not a game. He actually believes the bear market is over. And why would the bear market be over? Well, it's very simple. If the money printer goes burr, the bear market's over, right? Bitcoin's going back up. And he is making the argument the money printer is going to go burr. And I kind of agree with him. And here is the argument in a summary, okay? He is saying that the economic data over the next 8 weeks will clearly show that the United States is in a recession. Okay, that means that we're not in a good place. Powell, who is in charge of the money printer, is going to be unable to deny that the U.S. is in a recession at the September meeting. The assumption is that Powell will not have the guts to hike rates into a recession 2 months before midterm elections, even if inflation remains high. This is genius. I agree. I agree. I really agree, okay? All these Fed speakers are going over the next month. They're going to try to stop this rally that we're having in Ethereum and Bitcoin in the stock market. They're going to try to stop this rally because they're going to say, "Oh, we got to take care of Ethereum. We got to take care of inflation." They're basically going to talk a lot. But here's the deal, okay? These guys need to stop speaking. They're trying to walk back what Powell already hinted at in the last meeting. And what he said in the last meeting was, guys, we're done. We're done hiking rates. We're not going to keep slowing down the money printer because That means we would be hiking rates into a recession, which is going to be obvious in the data, which I'm going to show you in a second. And we have midterm elections. This is the real key. The people in office are not going to want us to crash everything to zero right before they try to get elected in November, okay? So this is perfect. They're done. I kind of agree with, I mean, at least for the month of August, at least till September, the market is going to keep pumping. I think we're going to go to $4,200. I'll get to that at the end, okay? Well, hold on. I got like 2 minutes left. I'm going over my time. All right, here's why. All of the inflation numbers, okay, they're coming out on, this is the only big event for August, which is August 10th, 2022. This is the next inflation data release, CPI data. All of the inflation numbers are already coming down. Gas prices, 50 straight days coming down. Raul Paul has been talking about this for months. He has giant threads about this. Go follow him. I don't have time to read this, but he's saying that the demand is not there for inflation to keep going up. In order for inflation to keep going up, you need people to keep buying stuff. Raul has been all over this. He's been saying that every single aspect of the market, there is not enough demand. Okay, so we have he's showing it here. He's showing gasoline, he's showing crude oil, he's showing bond yields. There are a ton of different home prices are cooling at record paces. Walmart inventory is overstacked. There is too much inventory. People are not buying stuff from Walmart. Michael Burry, the guy who called The Big Short, you know that movie The Big Short? He said the supply gut at retail is the bullwhip effect. Google it. What the bullwhip effect means is that all of these suppliers, Walmart, Amazon, Target, they're going to have way too much inventory. And lo and behold, they have way too much inventory, which brings down inflation. And what's the result of this? This guy who literally called the 2008 crash, he says the Fed reverses itself on rates and QT. Which means exactly what this guy is saying right here. If you understood what I just said right there, you're going to make a lot of money, because it means that you understand something that a lot of people in this market do not understand, which is that the bottom might already be in. The money printer is already about to go burr, and the bullwhip effect, lack of inventory, way too much inventory, home prices cooling, gas prices cooling, all of these things that Raul Paul is saying cooling are bringing down inflation. Used car demand is going down. All of these things are bringing down inflation. Plus we have elections, plus we have a recession, which means that the Federal Reserve is not going, they can talk all they want, guys. They are going to try to scare you. They're going to try to say, inflation, we're going to raise rates, we're going to stop printing money, we're going to stop it. We're going to. And then they're not going to, okay? The next meeting in September, they're probably going to say, hey, guess what? This was our last rate hike. We're done. And everything's going to go insane again. I don't know for sure. We'll have to see what happens with the data. But I do know that for the month of August, Powell, there is no meeting. There is no FOMC meeting. There's just these people talking. Who cares? This is not Jerome Powell. This is not an actual meeting. I think the market is going to shake these off, and I think the market is going to head to $4,200 on the stock market. And that is because my boy Pentoshi has the best charts. And as you can see, he's marking off $25,000 for Bitcoin. He's marking off, hold on a second, he's marking off $13,000 on the NASDAQ, and he's marking off $4,200 on the SPX or the ES rate. $4,200, okay? So you can just, if you want to just trade this, it's very, very easy. If you want to be conservative, you can just put a line on ES up here at $4,200. Just put a little line right up here at $4,200. And whenever we get to $4,200 on the ES, it's a stock ticker. Just go check it out right here. Okay, $4,200. Once the stock market gets up there, then you can take some profits on your Ethereum and on your Bitcoin. I personally think that Pentoshi's being a little bit too bearish here. I think that we are going higher. I think that Ethereum has the added benefit of the merge trade, the merge being a halving event for Ethereum that is coming up in September. So Ethereum over $2,000 seems inevitable for me in the month of August, maybe even $2,500 in the month of August. Okay, so Ethereum is definitely the move over Bitcoin. I bought way more Ethereum than Bitcoin for this month just because of that merge trade, okay? Bitcoin, I think, could hit as high as $28,000, $30,000. These rallies always go longer than people think. This is the last thing I'll say, guys. If you just go follow me on Twitter, I said it this morning. But this whole thing is going to go further. The stock market, Bitcoin, and Ethereum all want to print much higher until all of you turds are calling for a new bull run. This bear market rally that we're in right now will not be over, and you can mark this down, okay? You can share this video with someone and smash the like button if you believe this is true, and then I'm out of your hair. This bear market rally will not be over until everyone starts calling for a new bull run, okay? Until they start calling for $100,000 Bitcoin, until they start calling for new all-time highs in Ethereum. That is when it's over and it will probably dump again. Okay, you've been warned. This is not how bear market rallies end. It has to get the sentiment up. You have to get the last retail person to go, oh, I'm gonna put my chips in, and then that's when it crashes. Okay, and so we have a ways to go here. I think we're going up. I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute update. Sorry, I went a little over, but I think this was a pretty good summary. Please smash the like button and share this with one person, and join the NFT project if you want to hang out and see trades live and talk to me and just hang out with cool people. Anyway, I love you guys. See you. Peace. Bye.